Good day, guys. Mark here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you love cars, DIYs, and basically anything under the sun, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. On today's video, guys, I'm gonna share with you a method that I usually do, and this is actually being marketed right now as an expensive way to basically clean the vents or basically the air conditioning system inside your cabin. So I'm gonna teach you a cheap way on how you will do it. Okay, so for this DIY, all you need to do is all you need to have are a piece of cardboard, a 175 ml Glade or Lysol that has this kind of spray upwards that says air sanitizer, antibacterial, etc. Just make sure that you'll be spraying that cleans the air or sanitizers, not the air fresheners, because that only hides or mask the smell. It doesn't kill the bacteria. Okay. Okay, so for this one, you need to step outside the vehicle while emptying out the canister. So we'll just be using this once. This is only 134 pesos. This will kill everything, kill the bacteria, the molds, everything on your air conditioning unit. Okay. So the settings on the aircon, it would be, so aircon should be on. Place this on number 4. Air should be in circulating mode. All right. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna leave the camera rolling, and we'll step outside and we'll wait for the canister to be open, because too much of this is harmful to your lungs. Okay. And the idea would be, in order for us to be able to press this all throughout the process, is we'll use a cardboard to basically have this pressed all the way down. Okay. And then we should place this around this area on the passenger side, like that, and wait until the canister is completely empty.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. So the first method actually failed. The cardboard did not hold up. You can see it's still wet. What I did was I actually used an old spray nozzle from perfume, an old perfume, and stick it in here and just use a tape to hold it in place. Let me show you what it looked like that. All right, so like that, and then when you press down, just tape it in place. Okay, so that's what I did. So the canister is now empty. Just gonna keep this running for about 5 minutes, and I'll step outside. The smell is too strong right now. Okay. And that's how you sanitize your air conditioning system, get rid of those bacteria that causes molds. My air conditioning unit doesn't have any issues. I just wanted to share with you guys on how you will be able to save money and sanitize your air conditioning unit without costing you a fortune. So if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much. Until our next video.